Welcome once again to Talk Jamaican, where you get to appreciate, understand, or even speak like a Jamaican. I do a commentary each week in Jamaican patois, then give you an overview in English. If you get a copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com, you will be way ahead of the game. So, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and enjoy. Have a wonderful day. You know, say the bank them a Jamaica go on bad. Them a go on more the worse than the gunman. Them a serious thing, you know. You put your money in the bank, then charge you. You take your money out of the bank, then charge you. And you see the politician them a rail about it. I like them a tell you know, them not gonna do nothing about it, you know, cause them best friend them are the bank people them. When the election a come, then give them enough money. The bank take your money, then lend it to people, big interest, and then either they no give you no interest or charge if you have it in there. You see a wickedness that a go on. And the worst people, them are oppressing our poor people, you know, because rich man can't go in at the bank and he threaten to take out him money and then do anything he want. So they not charge him. But the poor little people, them all get them government pension, the government say them have to open bank account to get pension. And that the bank do. Nah man, that not right at all. Once upon a time, you know, before them old thief in bank, people used to put their money under mattress. Yes, under the mattress in their bed. But master, sometimes the whole house just burn down or thief can't thief it. So them have to go deal with this old thief in bank. And you know, people still are safe with partner, but no, but partner not so popular again. Once upon a time, partner did popular because everybody could have just get somebody as a partner manager and he would collect money every week from you, and if you're safe to buy some furniture or if you send your picnic to school you get one lump sum. Lord master, sometimes the partner manager they run with your money. So anywhere you go, a thief dog yam your supper and you can't move from one bank to the other because the whole of them are going with the same thing. Lord master, may I tell you, as we say in Jamaica, anywhere you go, makajuku, especially if you're poor, and that not right, a wickedness that. In the previous section, I was complaining about the oppressive policies of the banks which operate as a cartel in Jamaica. So it's not a matter of you having the choice to move from one bank to the other, as they all do the same thing. They charge you huge service charges if you're putting your money in the bank, if you're taking your money out of the bank. They lend your money at huge interest rates and pay you a tiny amount. And you cannot, despite the fact that some politicians speak out about it, they cannot be trusted because they are in league with many of the banks because they are their major contributors to political activity. So they will rail up and, not rail up, they will make a lot of noise and claim that they are going to protect the poor, but they don't. And the thing is, it's mainly the poor people who are suffering because the rich people can take their money anywhere and the banks don't want to lose it. But the poor people have no option. If they keep their money at home in the mattress, their house could burn down or they could be burglarized. And even saving with what was a popular process called partner, where people would contribute sums every month and a banker, a local banker or a community banker would be look after the funds and they would get a lump sum. They could probably buy furniture, work on their houses or send their children to school with a lump sum. But even that is, you have the crooks who occasionally run away with the money of everywhere, of everyone. So whether it's the bank or under your mattress or the partner, poor people are really in a bind, and that is terrible. It's wicked.